Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to easily integrate the powerful MyBotChat AI chatbot into your Squarespace website. This will allow you to provide instant support, answer customer questions, and engage with your visitors 24/7. We'll be following the official MyBotChat documentation to ensure a smooth process. Let's get started. First, be on the website editor and find and click the link Website Tools, which is at the bottom left of the screen. Then on the next screen, click on Code Injection link. On this code injection page, scroll down a bit to the footer section. Go to MyBotChat console page to get the embedded JavaScript code, if you don't have it yet. Paste your embedded JavaScript code into this footer section and click Save. On this same screen, find the Preview button on the far right and click it. Your AI chatbot bubble is visible at the far bottom right. Click it to open the chat window and test it. That is all. If you need any help, let me know.